Welcome to our channel. Today we how to find lost AirTag instant fix step by step clearly. To find your lost AirTag, start by opening the Find My app on your iPhone. Make sure you are signed in with the Apple ID associated with your AirTag. Tap on the Items tab at the bottom of the screen. Locate your AirTag from the list of items displayed. If the AirTag is nearby, tap on it to view more options. Select the Play Sound option to make the AirTag emit a sound. Listen carefully to determine its location. If the AirTag is further away, tap on Directions to get a map view. Follow the directions provided to navigate towards your AirTag. As you approach, keep an eye out for the sound or a visual cue. If the AirTag is out of range, consider waiting a few minutes and refreshing the app. You can also use the Precision Finding feature if you have an iPhone 11 or later. This feature will guide you with on-screen directions and haptic feedback. Make sure to turn on location services for the Find My app for optimal performance. If you still can't locate the AirTag, check nearby lost and found locations or common areas. Ensure you're in a space where your iPhone can properly connect to the AirTag. If all else fails, review the last known location on the map provided in the app. Remember, AirTags should be within Bluetooth range for effective tracking. Once located, retrieve your AirTag and ensure it's functioning correctly. In case it's not found, consider replacing the AirTag or reporting it as lost. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.